Michelle here from StrawBearie Designs, and today I'm going to show you how I made this snowflake a pom-pom pillow. So much fun. And if you missed my last video, it was about making this tapestry Dollar Tree pillow. So please make sure you check out that in the description below and in the iCard, and I'll have it linked at the end of the video as well. And if you're new here, please subscribe, and here's how I made it.
The first thing I did is I took a piece of 12 by 12 paper and I drew out a snowflake as my pattern. And then I started lining up my pom-pom balls to kind of see how many that I would need. These pom-pom balls I bought from the craft store. They are 1-inch pom-pom balls, and there are 6 spokes around a center wheel and then little V's off of the end that I have designed for this snowflake. So now I take my pillow, and this is actually a pillow that I DIY'd the other side on another video, and I'll link to that video so you can see it. This pillow was from IKEA, cost, I don't know, like $3 or something last spring. So beginning, I find the center, and now I'm just going to hot glue my pom-poms in a circle here on the center. And so to make sure that my circle is nice and circly, I kind of did the opposite sides first, just to make sure that I would have the right size to go around. Now, this, of course, since it's hot glued and all, this pillow is not going to be washable or anything, but like I said, it's just a couple $1 pillow that I already had, and I'm repurposing and reusing it. So now I'm going to make my spokes, and each of my spokes is going to be 3 pom-poms long, and then I'm going to take 4 pom-poms to make the V. So the first 2 here will kind of be offset from the spoke, and then I will have 2 more just to kind of make that V. And then I'm going to repeat this exactly on the other side with the 3 pom-poms with the 4-spoked triangle. And basically, since I have 6 pom-poms in the circle in the middle, between every pom-pom is where a new spoke goes. And it was actually much simpler to put together once I figured out all the geometry than I thought it was going to be. And I just think that this just turned out really cute, and it's going to look super adorable on my sofa this winter. And I'm really excited about it. After I finished hot gluing everything, I had a lot of glue string mess. So here I am just kind of cleaning up all the glue string mess, and then I have my pillow, and it's done.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really like this pillow, and I think it's going to look so good on my couch this holiday season. Please hit that like button, subscribe, tell all your friends, and have a great day crafting away.